Okay, guys, we are across the river. The campground's right over there. This morning on our morning walk, we saw this huge tugboat pushing 15 barges, and we were watching from over there, and it came through this lock, which is really, so we figured out we can come over, and hopefully there'll be one going through right now. But yeah, we'll show you guys the lock anyway.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
We can go over there, can't we?
Yeah, I think so. For now, they've got the other gate open, so I think you're okay.
So those tugs come through here or through over there?
Well, this is the auxiliary here. This is where the small boats come.
Oh, okay.
The big ones, there's one coming in up there. You see it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
He's going in. That's the main lock on that over there. If you walk over there, you can
Yeah.
walk across and see that.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
See 'em go through.
Yeah. Okay. This is pretty cool. This is weird. This is where the pleasure, small boats come through. Looks like we can get over here. There is a tug that we're gonna luck out. There's a tug getting ready to come in. Okay, we found our way over here to the main lock. I don't know if you can tell in there, but the water's higher on that side. This is south, going this way. So they're gonna come in, lower it down, open it, then the barge and traffic will go out of there. Got to get closer here. Okay, here we are. Again, if we could zoom in, you could probably see the prowler right over there. What's in here? Oh, okay, look, the big huge barge is waiting just outside the other, but this tugboat is sideways for some reason. This is Lock and Dam 14. I don't know that I ever knew that they had all these locks and dams on the Mississippi River. You?
Never. Had no idea.
Yeah. Okay, we'll when something starts happening, I'll show you. Okay, we just watched the water just go down. You can see the locks opening up here, and this tugboat's gonna come out, and then the huge tugboat with, we'll see how many barges. It's hard to tell right now, but he's gonna be, those barges are gonna be up taller than us probably. We'll see if the tugboat guy waves to us. The Katie Ann. Yep, he waved. Yep. Port of Dubuque, Iowa. Okay, the gate is closed. That tugboat is just parked right outside there. I don't know what he's doing, but you can see the water coming in now. Watch that hole over there, or you know where that tie off. Cool. I'm so glad we caught this. I know you probably can't, but you will when they come in. There's some guys sitting on the front of those that lead barges there. Okay, the gates are opening down there. The lock, whatever you want to call it. Jeez. When they blow that horn, it's telling the captain of the tugboat it's okay to come forward.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We
Wonder what those things are
Yeah, no, I was thinking the same thing.
on each corner. We'll have to ask the dude.
in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
Hey, what's those things? What's those things right there, going down in the water? What?
Depth of the water.
Oh,
That was right.
sound right
100
here.
more feet of chamber. 75 to the million.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive.
There's that rope stretching. Right. That's holding back a lot of weight. All right, now they're gonna, I'm guessing they're closing that one back there. And we should start seeing going down. We were doing some reading up on these, and typically when they're covered, they got like grain probably, hauling grain. They also haul steel and crude oil too, up and down the river. I think we read that yeah, apparently every year these barges do the equivalent of 49 million truckloads, and apparently there's roughly about 700 barges on the Mississippi on any given day. Over 700. Okay. Looks like a manhole. I suppose it is a manhole. Wonder why that other tug is still out there. Kind of in the way.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers.
You're sinking. You are right. Okay, it looks like they only got 1, 2, 3, or so 9 barges in here. Looks like they closed the gate behind the 9, and so he's still got to come through. We're betting that first tugboat is gonna pull these out. Interesting. Yeah, it looked awful big to be able to fit in here. We're thinking this is 500 feet, 550, and down where they are, that's 600 feet. So yeah, these things are 200 feet long. Piece. These back ones, they might be a little shorter though. We'll see when they come out. Those things are pretty agile. The family is still watching. They're down by the fence over there.
Yeah.
Steel cables holding those things together, and then tensioners to tighten them up. Good job. This good job.
Yeah, I like it.
What do they start off paying like?
Pay a daily rate, like around 100.
Oh,
Fans there,
yeah, that's not bad at all.
not bad for it.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I asked him if it was a good job, and he said he likes it. And I asked him what they usually start out at, and apparently it's a daily rate, and $200 a day starting out. And then of course, the longer you're here. Then I'm guessing they're going to park this out there. That's why that's so long. After the lock. So they're going to park him outside the gate, close the gate, fill it back up, open that gate, and then he's going to come in. Okay, there goes. I just heard him turn something on here. I guess the gates are going to close.
Wow, just right there.
Yep. Okay, and now the remaining 6 barges and the big tug coming through. Gates opening. This thing really fills up and drains pretty quick. Okay, now they'll blow the whistle to tell the captain he can start moving in. Phew, made me jump. Knew it was coming, it still made me jump. Okay. There's the big tug coming in. Okay, we'll show you when he's leaving. Now they're gonna reconnect these two, or these. Be ready for that horn to sound again, that he can move. Okay, they're connected and they're moving. 5 sections, 200 feet. This is 1,000 feet worth of barges here, plus the length of the tugboat. Have a good one. Where's the next lock? Gotcha. We'll see if this captain waves to me. I suppose he's pretty busy. Nope, there he's waving, yep. Huh? I think he did. Pretty impressive. So I wonder if he's like in the Coast Guard or maybe in the Navy, or he just worked his way up through the company here. All right, what you think of that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It was neat. Answered a lot of
Cool.
questions.
Very
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, because we've been sitting at the campsite or over the campground watching them, and
Just had no idea how the whole thing worked, especially the real long ones. So it's pretty cool.
I didn't know you could do this. We just happened to stumble upon this. So anyway, what's next?
I don't know. We'll find out together.
All right. Okay, we're just walking back across. There's the pleasure craft one. A couple of boats in there. I don't even know we're up here. Yeah, we got to walk back across that gate there. There's a barge. Still getting out of here. The Virginia Ingram. Wow, that was pretty cool. That's one of the most interesting things that I've seen. Yeah, that took about what, a little over an hour and a half for that whole process.
Right.
And so I really whittled the video down. But I wanted you guys to see each step. So I hope you'll enjoy it.
And also, though, you have to realize some walks are larger, which I had no idea, but did find out that some walks are larger and can actually handle 3 long or 4 long or something like that. But they're different sizes.
The one that we just watched, it would hold that, the 1,000-foot long one. Keokuk. We visited the one in Keokuk just to take a look at it. Now we're probably going to visit one anytime we see one, but we won't film it. But anyway, yeah, there's just different things like that. We are off to Nauvoo, Illinois, which has huge historical significance to a large portion of this country, of the population. You guys can look that up. Otherwise, wait for us to tell you in a few days. But we're gonna end this here. Appreciate you. If you need something from Amazon, please, you might use my Amazon associate link in the description. Yeah, and share this and hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in Nauvoo.
See you next week.